Welcome back to my channel. In today's Python tutorial, we are going to learn about the difference between list, tuple, dictionary in Python. If you want a more detailed explanation and practical programs in list, tuple, dictionary, check out the individual videos on list, tuple, dictionary. The links are mentioned in the description below. Okay, let's start. Okay, list. Before that, we are going short introduction about list. List is collection of ordered. It is changeable one. We can change the values. It allows duplicate values. List are mentioned using square brackets. Here, the example for list. The fruit is a list name. Apple, banana, cherry, or values. List values. Print fruit means it will print apple, banana, cherry, all the values. List or mainly is to modify or changing the value. I'm going to change the banana. This index value you can access list using index value. First zeroth first value, first index, second index. Suppose I'm going to print the apple, print fruits of 0. It will print apple. I'm going to here to change the index value 1, that is banana, into mango, the changing value. Now the list will be printed apple, mango, cherry because the banana value index, that is index 1, will be changed into mango. So list can be modified. It is mutable, otherwise mutable means it will be changeable. We can add, remove, change the items anytime. Next, tuples in Python. A tuple is also ordered, but it is unchangeable. It is immutable. We cannot change the items. Once created, you cannot modify. So it is the main difference, list and tuple. Tuples are written with the round brackets. Now we can see example. Here, the tuple symbol is brackets, red, green, blue. Now I'm going to print the colors. Red, green, blue will be printed. I'm going to change the zeroth index, that is a red into yellow. It will cause an error because we cannot change the tuple value. Tuples are faster, but we cannot change the items. Next one, dictionary. Dictionary is unordered in older versions. In 3.7, Python 3.7, it is ordered. It can be also changeable like list. It stores the data as key value pair, for example, roll number. Then you can give the roll number, the key and value pair, name, then name. Okay, they are written in curly braces, opening curly brace, closing curly brace. Within that, we can add the key value pairs. It can be accessed by using the key. Now we will say an example. The student is a dictionary name. The name, it is key. Value is John. Age is key. 20 is value. That is a key value pair. It is a key value, then key value. We can store the values into key value. Now I'm going to print the dictionary. It will print all the name, age, course of the dictionary. Suppose I'm going to print name only, we can give. It's a key value name. I'm going to change the age. It can be modified one because it is changeable one. So I'm going to change the age 20 into 21. Automatically, it is a changeable. The output will be name John, age 21, course Python. for this line. Dictionaries are perfect when you want to mapping data like name to values, ID to student. We can access the value in dictionary. We are using the key. That is key values are name, age, and course. Now we will see the difference. Here, list we are using square bracket. That is tuples we are using brackets. Dictionary we are using curly brace. All are ordered in Python version 3.7. After that, it is ordered one. Before that, it is unordered dictionary. We can change the list element and dictionary elements. We cannot change the tuple element. That's why it is int mark. List and tuples are allow duplicate values, but dictionary we are not store duplicate values because keys are unique value. We can give different key values. Access by using index value in list, index value in tuple, but a key value in dictionary. It is the major difference between list and tuple dictionary. Now, simply we can say list is changeable collection, tuple is fixed collection, dictionary is key value mapping. Thank you for watching.